Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we calculate volume of sphere in C language. Now let's get started. First of all, we create a file. Let's say volume.c. Here we include name. We declare a variable float. We use float because volume can be in decimal also. So float can calculate the exact value also in the decimals. So float, let's say X. Now we print enter radius. We, now we take input from, now we take here the input from the user. Here we percent for float data type. We use percent f ampersand x. Now here we declare another variable. Let's say float volume is equal to volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here we write it as 4 into pi, the value of pi, let's say 3.14 into x into x into x. Now we divide it by 3. Now we print. Here we use x because this x is radius which is inputted by the user. Now here we printf volume percent the volume of sphere is volume. Now we return it. We run program. Here we input any radius like uh, let's say 4. The volume of sphere is 27.9. Thank you guys. Here the code is successfully executed.